Animal Crossing Amiibo card unboxings. I have quite a few packs here, including one that's already been opened. And inside each of these, you get 6 randomized cards that feature a different Animal Crossing villager. So if you've ever played any of the Animal Crossing games, then you might recognize quite a few of these. I will definitely eventually be giving away any of the doubles that I get, so stay tuned for that, and let's just get started. So I'm going to start with the one that I already opened. This is Molly. We have Willow, Nate, who's very cute, Al, I remember Al, Clyde, and Harriet, who is the holographic one of the pack. It's a little hard to tell with the lighting, but this is Harriet, and she is the hairdresser in Animal Crossing. Also, when I got the Animal Crossing game bundle, it did come with Joan, which is why she's still in packaging. She is also holographic, and she's the one who you buy turnips from. Okay, so now we can finally open up the actual cards. Okay, so let's see who we got here. We have Henry, Yuka, Midge, Avian, which I've never seen before in my life. We have Portia, and Rossetti, yay! He's the little mole that would come up every time you turn off the game without saving it. So he's the holographic of the bunch. Okay. So we have Bertha, Eunice, Poppy, Kabuki, Bob, and Sahara, who sold carpet and wallpaper, and she is the holographic. Okay, next pack. We have Cole, Flo, Monique, Knox, Blue Bear, Pascal, which is really exciting because he's super duper. He's the one who you find on the shore of the beach, and he asks you some like geographical questions or something. Love it. This one's my favorite so far. And no doubles yet, which is kind of surprising. Oh, see, I totally jinxed myself because this one's a repeat. We have Chloe. We have Roscoe. I remember him. We have Pudge. Sterling. I remember Sterling as well. And then we have Sherry. And another double, Harriet. So I definitely jinxed it. We have 2 doubles right here, Chloe and Harriet. Now we have Amelia, Tutu, Jitters, Tiffany, who looks a little creepy with those eyes, and Digby, who is in 2 games. He's in New Leaf, but he's also in the Happy Home Design one. So pretty cool. Once again, we have a repeat, but that's pretty cool. I really like him. Ding! All right, so we have Rowlid, we have Muffy, we have Gurf, we have Maurice, Kyle, and Timmy. Aw, Timmy's so cute. He is one of the store sellers in New Leaf, and is he Nook's kids or grandkids? I don't remember, but he's holographic as well, and he's super cute. So he looks a little familiar, but I don't think he's a repeat. Okay, we have Axel, who I used to love a lot. Gruff. He's a repeat, right? We just had him? Okay, I am losing it. Let me just check real quick. Yes, he's another repeat. Here he is. Alright, that's okay. Midge is another repeat as well. And we have Bonbon. Bonbon. And Bob. I think Bob is a repeat. We have DJ KK, so he plays music. So he used to play music every time with his little guitar every Saturday in Animal Crossing New Leaf and Wild World, I believe. So yeah, he's holographic as well. This is the very last one, so let's hope this goes well. Row it. Okay, so here's another repeat. Benjamin, Eugene. I've never seen that one. We have Limburg, Shari, I don't know. And we have Harriet. Okay, so we have 2 repeats here as well. So that's pretty much all these. In terms of doubles, we have 3 Harriets. We have 2 here, 2 Bobs, 2 of Midge, 2 of Cole, and 2 of Gruff. So overall, this was a ton of fun. So let me know if you guys would like another video like this, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!